Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Kawaii Burger using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, we are going to make the bun using 2 balls of white clay. Put one of the ball onto your working surface and press it down to make it into a dome. We are going to shape the second white ball into a flat circle. Since we have burger bun, you can use orange chalk pastel and paint it over. Now I am going to create the toppings. Here I have a flattened ball of brown clay, which I am gently patting with my needle tool to make it look like meat. Next we are going to make cheese by pressing the yellow clay and pinch it on the edges. For the lettuce, I use green clay and flatten it out. Also, after placing the lettuce onto the burger, I shape the edges to look wavy. Then make 3 tomatoes using red clay and place them on the top of a lettuce. Also attach the bun to the top of a burger. Moving on to the face, indent a U shape for the mouth. I made and attached 2 balls of brown clay for the eyes, also 2 balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes. For the cheeks, use 2 small balls of pink clay and secure them on. At this point, I added an eye pin so I could make it into a keyring. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Kawaii burger looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!